Drill holes on the wall based on hole spacing of mounting plate and tap the drywall anchors into the holes. Secure the mounting plate on the wall with the screws. Loosen the screw for securing the green ground wire, wrap the ground wire onto the screw and then tighten the screw. Attach the canopy to the mounting plate and secure the canopy with screws. Screw the decorative rod into the lamp body. Screw off the socket ring. Put the lampshade around the lamp holder. Secure the lampshade by screwing a socket ring into the lamp holder.